Good morning, children. In this class, I am going to explain Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, 10 to 15 problems. Tenth problem. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Let the point on x-axis let the point on x-axis is x, 0. We know that the general form of a point on x-axis is x, 0. Here given 2 points. So let the given points are, let A is equal to 2, minus 5 and B is equal to minus 2, 9. It means find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. It means we have to equate the distances xa and xb. Then we will get x value. Xa is equal to xb. A is equal to xb. Now let us apply distance formula. So x 0, a 2, minus 5. Here x is x, 0, b minus 2, 9. We know distance formula. Distance between 2 points x1, the 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the distance between the 2 points is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now apply the distance formula. Formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. Now x2 minus x1. x2 is here 2 minus x1 is x whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 0 whole square is equal to, here also apply distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In this xb, x2 is minus 2, x1 is minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 9 minus 0 whole square. Now squaring on both sides. So 2 minus x whole square plus 5 minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5 whole square is equal to minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 is 9 square. So 2 minus x square is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to x here. So a square means 2 square, that is 4, plus b square means x square plus x square minus 2ab is equal 2ab means minus 2 into x, that is minus 4x, plus minus 5 whole square is 25. See, in this bracket minus 2 and minus x having a negative symbol, so we apply a plus b whole square here. A is 2 and b is x here. So a square plus b square plus 2ab formula, 4 plus x square plus 2 into x, that is 4x, is plus 9 square is 81. Now 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4 plus x square plus 4x plus 81. See, plus x square cancel here, and plus 4 also cancel. The remaining numbers minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4x plus 81. Now bring this 4x this left hand side, then plus 4x will become minus 4x. 81, this plus 25, I'm sending that right hand side, then plus 25 will become minus 25. So minus 4x is minus 8x, 8 is equal to 81 minus 25 is 56. So x is equal to 56 by minus 8. 8 in 8 table 56 7 times. So x is equal to minus 7 answer. Therefore, the point on x-axis, question is find the point on x-axis. So the point on x-axis is x comma 0. Here x is minus 7. So minus 7 comma 0. This is the answer. Now same model problem. Before problem we find the point on x-axis. Here in this problem we need to find out the point on y-axis. What is the general form of point on y-axis? We know the general form of point on y-axis is 0 comma y. So first step is let the point on y-axis is equal to 0 comma y point. Next write given points. Given a is equal to 6 comma 5, b is equal to minus 4 comma 3 points. here given which is equidistant from the both the points A and B. So now we have to equate the distances YA and YB. After simplification we will get Y value. So YA and YB. YA is equal to YB. Y point is here 0 comma Y. A point 6 comma 5. Here Y point 0 comma Y. B point minus 4 comma 3. Now apply distance formula. We know distance formula of 2 points is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Now the given values substitute in this formula. 6 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 5 minus y whole square. Here also x1 y1 yb x2 y2. Now apply distance formula. Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus x1 is minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square is equal to 6 minus 0 6 square plus 5 minus y whole square is equal to minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. So squaring on both sides. Then here 6 square 36 plus 5 minus y whole square is equal to minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 3 minus y whole square. So 36 plus 5 minus y whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to y here. 5 square is 25 plus y square minus 2 into 5 into y, that is 10y, is equal to 16 plus 3 minus y whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 3 square is 9 plus y square minus 2 3s are 6 into y minus 6y. Plus y square and plus y square cancel here. 36 plus 25 is 61. Here minus 10y is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 6y. Now minus 10y. Bring this 6y minus 6y this left hand side. Then minus 6y will become plus 6y. Next here 25. This 61 will send that side right hand side. Then 61 will become minus 61. Now minus 10y plus 6y is minus 4y. 25 minus 61 is minus 36. Minus minus cancel. 4y is equal to 36. Now y is equal to 36 by 4. In 4 table 36 9 times. So y is equal to 9. Answer. So therefore the point on y-axis is equal to 0 comma y. So y is here 9. So 0 comma 9. This is the answer. Now 11th problem. Question is if the distance between 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. First write given points. Let a is equal to x comma 7, b is equal to 1 comma 15 points. Here given distance between 2 points is 10. So given AB distance is equal to 10. Given AB distance is equal to 10. We know distance formula. Distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. Now given value substitute in this formula is equal to x2 minus x1 is 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 7 whole square is equal to, given in the problem, the distance between these 2 points is 10. Now squaring on both sides. So root of 1 minus x whole square plus 5 minus 7, sorry, here 15, 5 2 is 15, yes, 15 minus 7 is 8 square is equal to 10. So squaring on both sides equal to whole square, then 1 minus x whole square plus 8 square is 64 is equal to 10 square is 100. Now 1 minus x whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. So 1 minus x whole square is equal to 36. Now 1 minus x is equal to, it can be written as root 36. Then 1 minus 6 is, x is equal to plus or minus 6 here. Root 36 is plus or minus 6. So case 1, 1 minus x is equal to plus 6 now. Next case 2. Equate negative value. 1 minus x is equal to minus 6. Now minus x is equal to 6 minus 1. So minus x is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. X is equal to minus 5. Next, minus x is equal to, in case 2, minus x is equal to minus 6, minus 1. Minus x is equal to minus 7. So minus minus cancel. X is equal to 7. X is equal to, therefore x is equal to minus 5 or 7. Answer. Now 12th problem. 12th problem, same model. Here finding the value of y. Here solution. Write given points first. Given P point 2 comma minus 3, Q point 10 comma y. X1, y1, x2, y2 points. Here given the distance between these two P and Q is 10. So PQ distance is equal to 10. Now apply distance formula. Distance formula we know root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 10. So root of x2 minus x1 is 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 y minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to 10. So 10 minus 2 whole square is 8 square plus here y minus into minus plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. Now squaring on both sides. Then it will become 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square is 100. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64 is equal to 36 here. So it can be written as y plus 3 is equal to root 36. Now y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. Here two cases. First case y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 and second case y plus 3 is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 3, y is equal to 3. Here y is equal to minus 6 minus 3. Now y is equal to minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 3 or minus 9.